How to withdraw money from Crypto.com to your bank account. First, open the withdrawal menu. In the mobile app, open Crypto.com, tap Accounts, tap USD account or your local fiat wallet, then tap Withdraw and read the introduction and tap Got it. On the website, you open Crypto.com in your browser, you go to the Accounts, and under USD account, click Withdraw. Step 2. Select your bank account. Select the bank account you want to receive the money. You must have made at least one successful deposit from the same bank account before Crypto.com allows withdrawals back to it. So keep that in mind. Step 3. Verify your bank details. Carefully check your account number or IBAN and your account holder name. If you edit the account number or IBAN, don't replace it with a completely different account. Only correct or complete the existing value. Step 4. Confirm your SWIFT and BIS information. If the SWIFT field is empty, enter your bank's SWIFT code. It must contain 8 or 11 letters or numbers. Step 5. Enter the withdrawal amount. Type the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure it meets the minimum withdrawal amount for your region. Review any fees that may apply. Step 6. Review and submit your withdrawal. Before submitting, verify the bank account, verify the amount, and complete any required 2FA or verification. Then tap Confirm. Your request is then submitted for review. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.